GP. This is my EG6 hatchback Civic. Bought the car about 4 years ago. Original plans was 500 horsepower. Currently we're pushing 720 to the wheels. It's a LS Vtec, CCS block, precision 64, 66 turbo. Running about 30 PSI right now. Car's on E85. Best quarter mile right now is a 10.5, but the car was making a lot less power when I ran 10.5, so I know she's got a high 9 in her. Just trial and error, but the car's getting faster. I've been doing a lot of roll racing, looking into doing more digs with the car, and trying to get up to the 9-second mark, and work on my digs racing. It's going to take a little bit more skill, but I'm comfortable with the car now, and I know that 9 seconds is coming real soon.
What's your current time with the digs?
Current time, my best time so far was a 10.5, and the car was making 650 horsepower, so you know I was making less power then. My mile an hour has gone up, but my last time at the track I did a 10.7 at 146, but I had a motor mount issue, so there was a lot of wheel hop, and my 60 foot was like a 1.9, almost a 2.0. So, I know I can improve on that, just a starting point. And the name of the game is to learn and get faster.
What's your goals today for the track?
Goal is to take home the trophy. You know, build the car to win. You know, you can't win them all. You know, I'm out here trying to do my thing and take home another trophy.